Remember we have talked about to change board admin or board ownership or the filter ownership, okay, dashboard ownership. So with the help of shared filter, shared dashboard you can do, which is given by the Atlassian itself. But with the help of this script runner also you can do. What you have to do, just click on change dashboard filter, okay. So if you know the filter name or the dashboard name, you can change it out, okay. Or just take example, there is one manager is there in your team, and he left, okay, he is going to change the company or he already left, and you want to change the filter ownership or the dashboard ownership of him to a new manager. How you can do that? Here you can select the filter ownership. Let me Jira KT. Okay, who is going to use new user? It's Jira SME. Okay, you can see all the details. He is the owner of which? He is the owner of Jira test. He is the owner of this filter. He is the owner of this board. Okay, let me change from Jira SME to Jira KT. Okay, you can see this user is owner of these many things: Jira KT, this Jira filter, etc. Okay. So do you want to select all? Just select all, then sorry, my bad, like this, like this, like this, okay, like this. And if you want to click on preview, just check, it will change the ownership in a one chance, okay, in one shot it will change it. Click on run, it's completed, it's changed completely. So this Jira SME is not owner of any of the dashboard, filter or the board. So like this you can check it out, and you can change the ownership. Thank you for watching.